Everything you saw in the daily video runs on settings we already made for you. You do not have to touch a thing, but if you want to, everything is in your control. Let us open them one by one. Time settings: your time zone, your week, your check-in and check-out times. Some hotels start the week on Monday, some on Sunday, some on Saturday. One click. Check-in and check-out times. One schedule for weekdays, another for the weekend. Need more control? Switch to daily mode, and every single day gets its own times. And the weekend is whatever you say it is. Friday and Saturday? Thursday to Saturday? Pick the days. The panel follows. These times also feed arrival and departure priorities. More on that in Priority Studio. PMS Mapping Rules. This is how codes from your PMS become cleaning tasks. For Opera, we set these rules up for you. Every status combination is already mapped. Open any rule and you see the whole story, the codes coming in and what they become here, the status, the cleaning state, and the task that gets created. Whether a task is created at all and whether the rule is active. 2 checkboxes, no developer needed. And this switch turns on manual PMS reporting, the PMS Sync tab you saw in the daily video. PMS Schedules. Remember the one email a day? This is where you control it. One master switch for automatic import. Under it, a time window for every day of the week. Outside the window, nothing is processed. Turn a day off, and that day imports nothing. Change a window with 2 clicks. Report Imports decides what arrives on its own, the task sheet, and in-room service traces. And if traces arrive before the rooms of the day exist, a first import delay holds them back. 15 minutes, an hour, your call. Cleaning settings. The most important thing on this page, your cleaning types. Checkout, check-in preparation, stay cleaning, turn down, deep clean. Switch on only the ones your hotel actually uses. They stay in sync with your PMS mapping. Inspection settings live here too, managed by your cleaning company. You see them, change requests go to them. Guest interaction. When a guest verbally refuses cleaning, the attendant records it as service refused. No misunderstandings later. Scroll down, and there is a switch for nearly everything. Pre-check and already clean. Who may mark a room clean without cleaning it? Uncleaned room tracking watches rooms that go days without cleaning. Set the limit and what happens when it is reached. And Missing Rooms Alert flags rooms that stop appearing in your PMS lists at all. Quiet safety nets. One page. Priority Studio. This is the heart of it. It decides which room gets cleaned next. We built these profiles for you. A checkout with an early arrival sits at the top, most urgent. Stayovers wait below. 14 profiles, covering a real hotel day. Not how your hotel works? Drag a profile to move it, or switch one off entirely. Open a profile, and every dial is here. Its priority value, how guest arrival times bend it, which exceptions it allows, manual rush, late checkout. At the bottom, the patterns this profile matches, room states, straight from your PMS. Quick settings apply across every profile. Arrival time effect, manual rush, late checkout, expected departures. Want to go deeper? Switch to advanced. VIP guests get an automatic boost. You set how strong. Late checkouts get a penalty. And scenario mapping is the full rulebook. 59 patterns, every one of them editable. Prefer this view? One click makes it the default. The studio opens here next time. You may never touch any of this, but the attendants' phones sort their day by it. So when your hotel runs differently, the fix is one drag away. Issue settings. 3 switches decide who can report problems. Team leaders reporting during inspection, whether they see every issue in the hotel or only their own. And service attendants reporting during cleaning. A small page, but it shapes how problems reach you. Lost and Found has its own settings, starting with one switch for the whole module. Retention is yours to define. How long unclaimed items are kept, how long delivered records stay, how long a guest claim link works. The AI part, matching lost reports against found items, is automatic, and if you want, guests are notified the moment a match appears. Categories come built in: electronics, documents, jewelry, flagged high value, and you can add your own. An umbrella, 30 seconds. In-room service auto import. Remember the sofa bed from the daily video? This is the dictionary behind it. A keyword from your PMS traces, in whatever language your front office writes, maps to a service plan here. Open one, the keyword, how it matches, which plan it creates, and a note template that carries the details, like the number of persons. And AI Analyze suggests mappings you have not set up yet. Queue Rooms Auto Rush. When a Queue Rooms report arrives from your PMS, matching rooms get a rush boost, automatically. You choose which statuses trigger it, dirty, in progress, and how long a room waits in queue before the rush applies. Set it once, it just runs. Room structure. Your room types and your rooms, 210 of them, all in one place. Each type, double rooms, suites, twins, with its rooms attached, and a service plan is created automatically for every type. You did not type any of this in. The Opera Import tab takes 2 XML files straight from your PMS, room types and rooms, and builds or updates everything. Rooms can be managed one by one, number, type, floor, building. Or, in bulk, change the type of a whole range, reset manual overrides back to PMS, create a series of rooms, or remove them. 210 rooms, 6 types, and 1 page that keeps them true to your PMS. That is the settings tour. Every one of these came pre-configured. Now you know where they live. Change what fits your hotel. Leave the rest alone. Either way, the day runs. Try it in your hotel with a free trial. ARPCLEAN.com